High-energy music fades in as the camera zooms in on you, standing confidently in front of a vibrant backdrop. Cut to B-roll footage of people working out, preparing healthy meals, and achieving their fitness goals. But wait, why should you listen to me? Well, folks, I've spent years researching and testing the most effective strategies to help you shed those stubborn pounds and live your healthiest life. And let me tell you, 2024 is the year where we're taking things to a whole new level. Cut to you holding up a notebook labeled Top Secret Weight Loss Strategies 2024. Today, I'm sharing with you the insider scoop on the game-changing tactics that are going to revolutionize your weight loss journey. From cutting-edge workouts to science-backed nutrition tips, we've got everything you need to succeed. From cutting-edge workouts to science-backed nutrition tips, we've got everything you need to succeed. Cut to a montage of before and after photos showcasing incredible transformations. But here's the thing, folks. Knowledge is power, but action is key. That's why I'm challenging each and every one of you to commit to implementing at least one new strategy from today's video. Whether it's swapping out sugary drinks for water or incorporating high-intensity interval training into your routine, small changes can lead to massive results. Cut to you looking directly into the camera with a determined expression. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and join our community of motivated individuals who are ready to crush their weight loss goals in 2024 and beyond. Together, we'll turn dreams into reality and transform lives one healthy habit at a time. You give a thumbs up to the camera as upbeat music plays in the background. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Until next time, stay focused, stay motivated, and keep striving for greatness. This is Wealth Wellness World 2024, signing off. See you on the journey to a healthier, happier you. Subscribe button, previous video recommendations, social media links, and a final call to action to join the weight loss revolution.